Good night to my classmates. Today I'm going to share with you my town, Bolivar, Cauca. It is a municipality located south of the department of Cauca, with more than 40,000 inhabitants. Depends on agriculture as the basis of its economy. This is a municipality full of culture and typical food. One of the most popular festivals is the Black and White Carnivals that are celebrated every year in the first week of January. Another very important celebration is the Holy Week that gathers all the inhabitants of my town to participate in the procession through the streets of the town. And one of the most important celebrations in my town is the Festival of the Virgin of the Hill that gather every year in the month of August and making thousands of parishioners climb the mountain where the Virgin made an appearance over 100 years ago. The typical meals of my town are numerous. One of the most representative are the empanadas of onion made by the mulatas, as they are popularly called, to a family that has this tradition for 50 years. Another typical food is the tamales. They are delicious, and they are also one of the specialties of the mulatas that are also one of the foods with great demand in the town. And finally, my favorite typical food, that is the Nochebuena, that is made up of more than 10 types of fruits and milk candy that is eaten every December at Christmas. Thank you very much.